In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile your accounts in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to match your bank or credit card statements with what's in QuickBooks, so your books stay accurate and up to date. Let's start by opening the Reconcile tool. In QuickBooks Online, go to the gear icon in the top right corner and choose Reconcile. Depending on your version, you can also get there by going to the Transactions menu and then selecting Reconcile. This is the main workspace where all of your reconciliation work will happen. Next, you'll need to pick which account you want to reconcile. Use the drop-down menu at the top to choose the correct bank or credit card account. Make sure you're selecting the same account as the statement you're holding. For example, if your statement is for a specific checking or credit card account, choose that exact one in QuickBooks. Now, enter your statement details. You'll see fields for the ending balance and the ending date. Type in the ending balance exactly as it appears on your bank or credit card statement, and then set the ending date to match that statement period. Taking a moment to double-check these numbers is important because everything in the reconciliation is based on this information. Before you move on, verify the beginning balance that QuickBooks shows. This beginning balance should match the opening balance on your statement for that same period. If it doesn't match, that's a sign that something from a prior period changed or was never reconciled properly, and you'll want to pause and investigate before continuing. Once that all looks good, click Start Reconciling. This opens the screen where you'll compare your bank statement to the list of transactions in QuickBooks. Now you'll match transactions one by one. Look at each line on your bank or credit card statement and find the corresponding transaction in QuickBooks. When you find a match, check it off in QuickBooks. Work methodically through the entire statement, making sure dates and amounts line up. As you do this, watch the difference shown at the bottom of the screen. If the difference is 0 and the indicator turns green, that means everything in QuickBooks matches your statement and you're balanced. If the difference is not 0, you'll need to track down the issue. Common fixes include adding any missing transactions that appear on the statement but not in QuickBooks, deleting true duplicates, or correcting amounts or dates that were entered incorrectly. When the difference is finally 0, you're ready to wrap up. Click Finish Now to complete the reconciliation. After that, select View Reconciliation Report so you can review or save a copy for your records. This report is a great reference if you ever need to look back and confirm what was reconciled for that period.